Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today, we bring you lesson 43 on expressing impressions of what you see. Tam went to the piano recital of a man she admires, Yuki. Her housemate, Mia, came along. After the concert, the two of them went to Yuki's dressing room to say hello. Tam brought a bouquet of flowers for him.
Listen to the skit for lesson 43.
Yuki-san, お久しぶりです。
あ、タムさん。
去年、日本に来ました。日本語を勉強しています。
そう、夢が叶ったんですね。
はい。ユウキさんも元気そうですね。また会えて嬉しいです。
Let's break it down line by line.
Tam has a chance to meet Yuki again.
ユウキさん、お久しぶりです。
Yuki-san, long time no see.
Yuki is surprised to see her.
あ、タムさん。
Oh, Tam-san.
Tam tells Yuki what she's been up to.
去年、日本に来ました。
I came to Japan last year.
日本語を勉強しています。
I'm studying Japanese.
Yuki looks happy.
そう、夢が叶ったんですね。
I see. Your dream has come true.
Tam says,
はい。ユウキさんも元気そうですね。
Yes, Yuki-san, you look well too.
また会えて嬉しいです。
I'm glad to see you again.
Tam then gives Yuki the bouquet. They haven't seen each other since before she came to Japan. Today's key phrase is, you look well.
元気そうですね。
If you memorize this pattern, you'll be able to express impressions of what you see.
Here's what it means. 元気そう is look well. From the na-adjective 元気な meaning well, take away the na to leave 元気. Then attach そう. It's a polite expression because it's followed by です. The particle ね at the end of the sentence shows a desire to share feelings with the other person. Today's point concerns expressions like this 元気そうです. That is, those in which そうです follows an adjective. They're used to express your evaluation of what you see. As we've just explained with na-adjectives such as 元気な, take away the na and attach そうです.
Listen and repeat.
元気そうです。元気そうですね。
Listen to this conversation in which a woman expresses her impression of something she's just noticed on the street.
あ、フリーマーケットをやってますね。
うわあ、面白そう。
Now let's see what it means.
あ、フリーマーケットをやってますね。
Ah, they're having a flea market.
フリーマーケット is a flea market where people buy and sell second-hand goods. やってます is having or is doing. It's the te form of the verb やる to do with います attached. But the い is omitted.
うわあ、面白そう。
Wow, that looks interesting.
面白そう means looks interesting. It's the I-adjective 面白い interesting with so. When adding so to an I-adjective, take away the I at the end, then attach so. If you're expressing your impression right away, as in this case, leave out です.
Okay, listen and repeat.
面白そう。面白そう。
Got it?
Now let's work with some other examples. Imagine you take a peek inside a nice-looking restaurant. You'd like to go in, but it looks a bit expensive. Try saying, it looks a bit expensive.
A bit is
ちょっとちょっと
expensive is
高い高い
it's an I-adjective. You're talking to a friend, so add ne at the end. Go ahead.
ちょっと高そうですね。ちょっと高そうですね。
Next case. A fireworks festival is scheduled for tonight, but the weather has become cloudy and rain has started to fall. It seems like the festival will be called off. Try saying, today looks bad.
Today is
今日
that's the topic, so you add the particle wa. Bad is the na-adjective.
ダメな
Give it a try.
今日はダメそうですね。今日はダメそうですね。
Got it? Today's bonus phrase is what Tam said to Yuki when she saw him. Try to memorize it.
お久しぶりです。
お久しぶりです means long time no see. It's something to say to someone you haven't seen for quite a while. If it's a friend, you can casually say 久しぶり.
Listen to how various people say it.
お久しぶりです。
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 Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
お久しぶりです。
Okay, listen to the skit once more.
ゆうきさん、お久しぶりです。
あ、タムさん。
去年、日本に来ました。日本語を勉強しています。
そう、夢が叶ったんですね。
はい。ゆうきさんも元気そうですね。また会えて嬉しいです。
はるさんの知恵袋。
Next up, Harusan's bag full of advice. Tam handed Yuki a bouquet, so today's topic is flowers in Japan.
Michael, what kind of flowers do you like?
Ooh, flowers. Well, what comes to mind really is cherry blossoms in spring.
Who wouldn't like them? Each season has its own flowers, and many places are known for theirs. After the cherry blossoms in spring, hydrangeas arrive during the rainy season. Some temples around the country have so many of them, they're known as hydrangea temples.
How about Hokkaido in summer?
Ah, it's beautiful. People flock to see lavender and sunflowers covering wide open spaces.
Of course, in autumn, the leaves on the trees change color across the country.
Oh, yes. But cosmos flowers are also popular. They come in pink, white, and red, all swaying in the wind.
How about winter? Are any flowers blooming then?
Certainly plum blossoms. Many people feel that spring is just around the corner when they see them. We hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Come back again next time.